morning grade 8 students. How are you students? Meeting after long time. So now we are again going to start with our videos and we are going to start with our SEM 2. As we all have completed SEM 1, now we are going to start with SEM 2 and our first chapter is chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. In this we are going to cover the topics, that is what is combustion, then what is ignition temperature, then the inflammable substances, fuel, then what is flame, then the structure of flame, and the last topic, that is global warming. So please open your textbooks and have a look in your textbook. So students, let us see what is combustion. A chemical process in which a substances react with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. So what is combustion? When substance react with oxygen and heat is formed. So that is called as combustion. Then the ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called as ignition temperature. So what is ignition? Temperature, lowest temperature where substance catches fire, that is known as ignition temperature. And what is inflammable substances? The substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. So substances which have low ignition temperature and they can easily catch fire with the help of flame. So here are the requirements of combustion. What is required for combustion? Conditions required for combustion are combustible substance or fuel, then air is required or that is oxygen, and heat or ignition temperature. Okay. Then for combustion, air is necessary. Can you see here A, B and C? So in the A the candle is burning, in the B the candle is not burning, and in the C the candle is even not burning. Why? So air is required so oxygen is required for burning. Then here are the types of combustion. Can you see rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and explosive combustion? When a material is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. A large amount of gas formed in the reaction is liberated. Such reaction is called explosion. Example, you all know when you will burn crackers. So there is a explosion and a large sound is heard. That is combustible and non-combustible substances. Which are combustible substances? The substances that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. And what is necessary for it? Heat, fuel or air. Example are diesel and petrol. And the non-combustible, that is do not undergoes combustion, that is said to be non-combustible, and it will not burn on being exposed to flame. So example are glass, stone. You all know whether glass or stone burned, it cannot be burned. Okay, so these are non-combustible substances. The fuel efficiency. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called calorific value. Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Carbon fuel like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles. These fine particles are dangerous pollutant causing respiratory disease such as asthma. So these carbon fuels like wood, coal, they release unburned carbon particles and which are dangerous pollutants which are causing different types of respiratory disease. Then let us see the structure of flame. Can you see flame? The outer zone, middle zone and the inner zone. Okay. Can you see combustion here? The blue flame and the other, that is yellow. The flame of the LPG is clean blue in color and does not leave any other gases. The outer zone of complete combustion, that is blue. Middle zone of partial combustion, that is yellow, and innermost of the unburnt wax vapors, that is black. Here the hottest part, that is, can you see the blue color? Then the moderately hot, okay, and the least hot, that is the unburnt wax, innermost zone. So outer zone, that is the hottest part. Then what is acid rain? The toxic gases such as SO2 and
NO2 deposit in clouds combined with H2O to form acids. Any form of precipitation of this acid is called acid rain. So when the rain falls, okay, it mixes with the gases present in the air, okay, harmful gases, and that rain, that is called as acid rain, which is also harmful. These are the question answers. That is, CO2 is an excellent fire extinguisher. Why? Write the types of combustion. Then what is global warming? Write its effects. Then the explains giving scientific reason. So this question answers and the scientific reasons you are going to write down in your notebook.
Students, hope you all are clear with this chapter. Related to this chapter, I am going to send you all worksheet. You are going to write down those question answers in your notebook. If you have any queries, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. See you again with the next new chapter.